Well, here we are again today. Today I got some mail, just now in the mail. This has been taking a long time to get here. I ordered this back on July 3rd on eBay. This came all the way from Latvia, all right? This is a Soviet radio I bought, a VEF317. And, well, I'm not sure anything is rattling in there. See, it came off. Oh, something came off. Oh, this plate. Oh, I see. It was glued on the back. This plate was glued in there. Not a biggie. It's a little dirty, and it looks like there's like 2 slide knobs that are missing. I mean, you can still use them, but there are 2 little knobs that are missing there. According to Radio Museum, which actually has this same color, go figure, this same color radio and everything. This is a 20 transistor radio. Is superhet and IF on 465 kilohertz. Has 8 AM circuits, broadcast, long wave, and more than 2 short wave bands. Now I know that it does have a few short wave bands on it. Batteries, you can use batteries, 6 1.5 volts, or it can be plugged in. So this was sold as a parts radio. George Christophe told me he's got his other older one. This was made in 1986, actually. He has his. He said even though it says parts, he said it probably still works. He said these things are pretty much bulletproof. He says so. We'll have to see in another video what I can do with this one, if it actually does work. A couple of dabs of Gorilla Glue or whatever will take care of this plate in the back. Not a big deal. Then also in the mail, I got this. This is a Cinch Jones connector, 12 pin, that goes into the other ARC-V radio that somebody had put that connector on the back. He's got the female connector. This is the male connector for it. So I can actually make a plug for that. Also, on that one, I have another dynamotor coming on top of a 24-volt power supply. This still has not come yet. Those should be here in a couple of days. I think they said either Friday or Saturday. So, another project. Just like this one. Another project. So, yeah, 1986. So, from the good people of Latvia. Let's see, what was this? Let's see, Valsts Elektronikista Fabrika, Riga, Latvia. That's where it's actually made, at that plant. So, yeah, this will be interesting to see what I can do with this one. I don't know, like I said, I have no idea. They said it was parts, so I have no idea if it works or not. It may work, it may not. I don't know. It just looks dirty. It doesn't look like, it looks like it's been well used, that's for sure. I don't know, there's well, that's the on-off button. The on-off switch is up here on top. But yeah, it'll take up some cleaning, and I have no idea what all the Russian writing means on that, but there it is. And that's what you got. So, that's going to be it for today. I know my SD card's running out, so that's going to be it for now. And we'll talk to you guys later. Everybody stay safe.